Hi guys, today we're going to be drawing a kawaii cupcake, and to get you started you'll need a pencil and an eraser. Well, just for mistakes. If you're really good at drawing, I don't think you'll need one. So let's get started. First you'll be drawing the liner. You can use a ruler or you can just draw it freehand. I'm going to be drawing it just freehand because I can't be bothered to take out a ruler. Now at the bottom of your liner, so you're going to draw actually two kind of diagonal lines, and you're going to make sure that they're like an ice cream cone, but just don't draw the tip. And now once you've done that, then you'll make the bottom of the cupcake liner by putting a slightly rounded line at the bottom, so it'll look like that. And then for the top of the cupcake liner, you'll do a little zigzag, so it just imitates it. So when you're done the liner, it should look a bit like this. Well, we're not finished yet. Now we're going to draw some lines connecting from the bottom point of the liner at the top to any space at the rounded line we made before. Be careful here. Make sure the lines don't touch like this. Okay? As you can see, I've done the lines and they're going towards the middle. So the middle is about here. You can mark it on your piece of paper where the middle of the cupcake liner is, but I don't need to do that. And once you've marked the middle and finished your lines, you can rub it out. Now onto the actual cupcake. To start the cupcake off, we'll draw a almost semicircle on top of the cupcake liner. Do not do it down here, please. I don't want you guys making any bad mistakes. And then for the icing, you can do two types of icing. One like this, droopy icing, which goes all the way around, a bit droopy. That's kind of messy because I did it quick. Or you can do a swirly frosting icing, not ice cream. So for this, you'll just have to like rub out the top. And I know how to do this. I'm not sure about you guys, but this is what I do. One bump, another bump. Oh, that's too big. Another bump, another bump, another bump. And then the top, just do a little swoop, and then do the same down here. You can make it as big or as small as you like, trust me. It's not too hard, and you can choose any of those. I did mine a bit big. I'll just be back once I fix it. So as you can see, the frosting looks a bit like a poop. So I'm just going to try and make it look a bit less like a poop by putting a little light line so it looks a bit more frosting-like. And now for the decorations. And remember, you can choose from this or the other droopy icing. You don't have to copy me. Now for the decorations, you can do really anything. I'm going to draw a little cherry. For the cherry, I'm just going to draw a circle, fix up my icing a bit, and I'm just going to draw a little bump in there. Just don't make it look like a butt. And then a little stem so that you can see that it's a cherry, not like a gumball or anything. And then you can add a leaf. Then you can do different decorations on the actual frosting, like sprinkles. Any type of sprinkles will do. You can even draw mini cookies on the side, waffles. You can draw anything. I'm drawing some long sprinkles along with some hundreds and thousands sprinkles. Doesn't that look tasty? Now, once you're done and finished all your drawing with your pencil, you can go on to inking. Like inking, meaning by go over all your lines, but with a pen. For my outlining, I'm just using a regular marker. Well, mine is just dual-ended. I'm just using a regular marker to go all over. So let's do it. So now you can see I've done all my outlining with a pen or a marker. And I haven't done the sprinkles because if I do the sprinkles, it's gonna look kind of just like a black splotch and you won't be able to color in the sprinkles. So I'm gonna leave that for later. Remember, this cupcake is supposed to look happy, not sad, so try using some bright colors instead of dull colors. I mean, if you're making it chocolate, then you obviously have to use some brown, but try not to use any grays or blacks, because it just makes the happy cupcake look sad. Imagine getting a sad cupcake for your birthday. Anyways, let's start coloring. I'm just gonna do the cherry first. So guys, I have colored in my cupcake, and how do you think it looks? It looks really nice, right? Now you can put add-ons as well, like glitter, maybe even googly eyes, and anything you like. Oh, I missed a spot. Just 2 seconds. Boop. There you go. Now it's finished. So all you need to do is rub out some of the pencil lines you've been seeing, and just do that with an eraser, not anything special. You don't have to be as neat as coloring in or outlining, just rub out the excess. So I rubbed out all the excess lines from the, oh, there's a bit of rubber. There you go. And it got, I think my marker hadn't dried yet, and it just got up here, so a little glitter won't ruin that, will it? It'll fix it. So now I'm going to put on some add-ons. For the add-ons, I'm using rainbow glitter and some glue to stick the glitter on here. So let's get to it. I'm taking the glue and I'm just squirting it on the area is it even up? Go, squirt out. Okay, it's not coming out. Okay, let's try again. Get out, stupid glue. If I pay $10, will you come out? Oh, I think I haven't took out the seal. So guys, the seal was not off, so I couldn't squirt out. Now it should come out. Yeah, perfect. Now you can take a brush and just move the glue around so it goes everywhere in the area you want. Don't cover the whole picture with glue yet, as you have seen. I have not, because I'm going to put one color at a time, and I don't want it going everywhere and mixing into other colors, becoming just a mess. So I'm just going to do this. And I think I'm good. So once you have put all your glue on, oh, wait a minute. You can just dab a bit of your glue off if you have too much. As you can see, I have way too much, so I'm going to dab it off. Okay, I'm done, and now time for some magic. So, let's put it on. It's taking a bit long. Next color. So guys, I finished my cupcake. It looks kind of messy because I have like glitter everywhere. And so all I did was just put a bit of glue, take a paintbrush, spread it around the area I wanted that color glitter to go in, and then I just pulled the glitter on and chucked the excess in the bin. I tried putting it in the container, but it was way too small. You can also take a pencil and just go around the areas which were meant to be black, or the outline, so that you can see them. So that's what I'm just going to do now. Now all you guys have to do is just wait for it to dry and you're done. Unless you want to add some eyes. And how to add eyes, you just take another piece of paper, draw your eye, and stick it on. Okay? That's great. Thanks for watching. And I'm getting kind of hungry. Bye! So guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed making this sparkly cupcake. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Bye!